I didn't find any instruction to mount the Amp1 on a pedal board with the quick lock. So I tried to do that for anyone else who isn't really a home worker. Because I need to make a hole into my pedal board, it is crucial that I have the right position before I start to drill a hole. I want to make sure that I have a concept for every pedal, that I have my beloved Amp1 on the right place. Great! Let's remove all the things from the board, except of the Amp1, of course. Thomas Blug has on his website a possibility to print out a thing to put the holes in the right place. If your print software resizes the things it prints, it's crucial that you double check if these are the same distances. It seems that mine is pretty good. So I can work with that. It's nowhere written what kind of hole we have to make. So when I measured that out with my measure here, I found out the screw is 2.5. But when I take it like that, it's 3. Let's try out the 2.5 millimeter. 2.5 looks like it's great. And this one works great as well. So, it's done. Now let's see. Yes, it works. It works. Great.